We're going to transform a boring laptop setup into a dream streaming setup. My name is Chris, this is Coalition Gaming, and today I'll be your stream technician. We wanted to do a first for our channel and surprise someone close to us with a full stream setup overhaul. So I loaded everything into the car, picked up the crew, and began our overhaul journey.
I only got one word for you boys. Let's f***ing go. That's 3 words, I mean 1 phrase. We're here today at Zalman's house. It's gonna be a dream PC that's capable of gaming, streaming. It's a surprise. He doesn't really know what's all in store yet. No, oh, here he is, he's coming to the door.
We're here. This is the setup? My brother goes by the name Zalman and has been in dire need of an overhaul. Streaming with the RTX 2060 laptop had its limitations, and being set up with a folding leg plastic table and an old TV as a second screen may not have been the most glamorous way to do it. It is a full, complete setup makeover from desk to computer. Couldn't do this without first roasting his setup though.
This is what I've been playing on.
What are you trying to do, scam him?
He scammed. That monitor usually not even there, it's on that side.
You tried to make it look cooler than it was.
Yeah.
It's from the Christmas store.
You got your tissues next to you too. For emergency bottle of something.
This is for Four Loko. Oh, my old Best Buy sign when I used to work at Best Buy. Pizza. Yeah. I used to sell a lot of pizza. You remember when I used to bring
You
them
didn't
back?
sell it, you just probably delivered it.
Yeah, actually, it's true. I was a delivery guy.
Hated going to Bloomington.
I got
You got carjacked in Bloomington?
They stole my system out of my truck. I was holding the pizza and he was just like, I'm taking the pizza. And I was like, okay. And he handed the pizza, I turned around, and I just see his little homies just running out of my green 84S10 with my sub.
Then it was time we got to work.
There's one thing I've always wanted to do since I started watching Zalman.
My brother had been wanting an L-desk, so an L-desk is what he got. I got some custom artwork commission as part of this setup makeover, and I'm gonna go surprise my brother right now with a really big part of that.
Holy this is ass. Oh my god, thanks bro. I love it. Oh, just look at my symbol.
Yep, that's Zalman right there. Fits pretty nice.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks bro. Thanks guys, I really appreciate this. Oh my god.
He's happy just with this, we're done here. Let's go.
Pack it up boys, let's go.
Can't stream without a multi-monitor setup, right? A Samsung Odyssey 24-inch 144Hz 1080p curved monitor paired with a secondary monitor was set up on a dual gas arm desk mount. Whoopsie on the Samsung though, no VESA mount holes. But a 3D printed adapter will take care of that. Well, we're gonna have to get that. But in the meantime, it's gonna look just fine like that. Cable management is important. So we threw some cable management baskets under the desk to help with that. No streaming setup can be complete without RGB lighting and LED strips, right? Threw a few of those in too. Bonus here is that the rear vertical strip and the 2 floodlights are smart lights and compatible with LumiaStream for reactive lighting when streaming too. Nice. Before getting too far, it was time for the PC grand reveal. It's time to show him the computer. Not only that, but an opportunity came up for a small GPU upgrade too. I have one more upgrade to tell him about though. An opportunity came up and I have switched out the graphics card from an RTX 3060 to an RTX 2080. What?
A lower number?
Lower number, better card. Weird, right? It happens.
Yeah, what the heck?
Oh my
He
god.
scammed you. He took your 3060 and gave you a 2080. What's that mean? I thought you got scammed for a second.
What's going on here, man? Oh my god. Beautiful. Look at that AIO. Oh my god. NZXT.
Do you know why these are blue? Because you're cold-blooded.
Oh shit.
We also dropped in an EVGA X17 mouse to replace his old dying one.
That's so nice. All the other mouses I had to play like this for me to play.
Oh, I thought that was a tiny mouse for your tiny hands.
He has a small hand,
I have a
and he
small
needed
hand.
something that helps him out with that.
Tiny, like a shrimp. Like a shrimp. Like a camarón.
His current mic is a Mackie EM89 Dynamic through a Behringer UM2 XLR interface. So not much to upgrade there, but I did add a shock mount and pop filter to that combo. And so if you're sitting here and you look over where the mic is gonna be and chat can hear you more clearly. this is something that I've learned from my own streams because I have my mic over here, but my chat over here, and you could tell with a dynamic mic like this, it sounds a little further away, and it sounds better if you're just talking in the direction where your chat is. His Nexigo 1080p 60 webcam is something that's getting carried over, but there are always ways to make even a webcam look better, so we added a ring light and mounted it to a boom arm for maximum flexibility. One thing Zalman enjoys? Immersion. That's the reason for the curved monitor. However, we also added the Critical Mass Labs tactile feedback backrest to his chair. Oh, and also, if you guys seen in our previous video, we have one of these back chair vibrator things, so it's more for immersion. My little brother, it's all about immersion in his experience. The headphones will match because these are those vibrating reactive headphones as well from Corsair. It's gonna match up with the chair, and actually in this chair, this actually helps. It feels more comfortable with it, so that's nice. We also provided some of the most awesome pieces of stream gear you could ask for, in my opinion. That being a MIDI controller to control volume sources via MIDI mixer, and an iPhone loaded with Touch Portal to control his stream. Even better, all of this was already pre-programmed by me and ready to go. We're gonna have a whole separate video for how this stream is set up and how you guys can set your stream up just like this. And this is including MIDI mixer, Touch Portal, all the software, OBS, all of it. Right, and then from there we can go into gaming.
That's cool.
And here's another cool thing that I set up with Touch Portal on there is that if we hit BRB, it will mute his microphone, and we don't have to worry about any noises while you're on BRB scene. And then you can just come back to your scene, let's say you're back to talking, and it unmutes the microphone without you having to touch anything.
It's so cool. Is it that? Yes! 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 Oh, that's my favorite one. You know how many times I wanted to click that before rushing into a room?
And so with everything in place, it was time to ask the question, what does he think of the overhauled setup? So here we are at the end result of the entire setup. What do you think?
I love it. I really love it. The setup's completely beautiful. The custom mat, that honestly is what seals the whole deal. Like, don't get me wrong, this computer is gorgeous, but the symbol's everything for me.
You already played a round of Warzone on the computer, and then coming from the laptop that it came from, how do you feel that this computer plays now with this 2080?
Oh, it's a drastic difference. Where my laptop was getting about 40 frames under stress most of the time, and that's me being lucky, especially while I'm streaming. Under stress right now on a multiplayer map on Call of Duty, I was getting 130 to 150. That right there is a drastic difference alone for me.
Follow this guy on Twitch, twitch.tv/Zalman, TZALMAN. There'll be a link down in the description. Check them out. Links to everything featured in this video will be in the description, so if you saw anything you think you could integrate into your setup, be sure to look down there. It always feels good to help someone out, and I think if you're close to that person, like I am with my brother, I think it means that much more. I wish him nothing but the best and hope he attains the success he is striving for. What did you guys think about this setup makeover? Drop a comment down below and let's talk about it. If you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and that bell so you don't miss a single upload. I stream every Friday at 8 p.m. Pacific at twitch.tv/Coalition Gaming Crew, so drop a follow and let's talk tech. I've got more videos going over stream gear and stream setup stuff linked right over there. Click one and I'll see you in the comments.